अच्छा कहते हैं, वक्त तो शुरू कर देते हैं.
When a Qari recites the Holy Quran on TV and there is Sajdah, is it incumbent upon the viewer to...
There is no question of incumbency. When the Sajdah is prescribed at times when the verses of the Holy Quran have such majesty and glory about them, where the concept of Sajdah is automatically born in the heart. There is no question of compulsion. The spirit likes to prostrate before God. So this question is irrelevant. One should do it. I mean, what is the harm in doing it? When Rasulullah used to do it, why not?
But if it is on TV, the people...
The question is, are you listening to the Holy Quran or not? This is the point. It's not by Jamaat Namaz. It is not a congregational prayer which cannot be done through TV. It's individual. Each listener to the Holy Quran, whoever hears the Holy Quran recited, when such verses reach, is automatically, spiritually moved. So whether it is on television or whether you hear it directly, there is no harm whatsoever in doing sajda, because it is not by Jamaat Namaz. It has no direction. On television, you cannot follow the Imam all over the world because your direction is different, his direction is different, and you can't, in Namaz, you can't be ahead of the Imam, but on television, you may be anywhere ahead of the Imam. So it's impossible. So Namaz through television has been strongly prohibited by me because I believe it is not permissible in Islam. But if you're together in one place, that's a different story. If you're there in the same place, in the same land, together in the same assembly of people, then of course people are scattered nowadays because of large number, and through television sometimes they are helped to visualize what is happening. But that's not namaz after television, that is namaz after the Imam. Sajdah Tilawat has no such connotation about it, no such sense. It is an individual sajdah in any direction you like. Right? Please.